Hi folks, and welcome back to Tam Stamps. Today we're going to be making card number 2 from the October 2024 Paper Pumpkin Pack. And here we go. Just as most other cards, our first punch out will of course be our banner. The stamp will be joyful thoughts to you this season. Now that's a perfect sentiment for somebody you may not be able to see over the holidays. If you're enjoying this video, we would definitely appreciate you throwing us a like. And if you subscribe and ring the notification bell, you'll know when we release our next video. You're going to notice that I actually go over this stamp twice with the ink pad. For some reason I could not get enough ink on the S in this and the S in season on my first pass. And that's a nice thing about these clear stamps, is that you can see this kind of thing before you actually push the stamp down. There we go. Now we're going to put adhesive on a ribbon behind our banner, which will help make it stand out. Then our punch outs are going to be a small bird sitting in a tree, then another small bird with a little bit more tree. I don't think it's holly, but it's got red berries on it, kind of like holly does. Then we'll also have a piece of holly by itself. Now again, as last card, we need to make sure that the adhesive dots go in the proper place on the punch outs, since they're going to be sitting on the edge of the frame of the card. As always, links to this Paper Pumpkin pack, as well as any other card supplies you might need, will be found in the link in our description. First thing down now is going to be the red ribbon. Then the banner over top of that, and it does just fit inside the cutout of the card. As I place these, you can see that it's important with this first bird that we get our adhesive dots only on the frame of the card, or we're going to be adhering it to the inside of the card, which would not be ideal. And we'll take the same care with our second piece of holly or pine, to make sure that it also is just on the frame of the card. And folks, there you have it. That is the second of our 2 cards from the October Paper Pumpkin Pack. And as always, thank you for stopping by Tam Stamps, and we'll see you in the next video.